In Spanish, if you want to talk about taking time, or you want to say I won't be long, or I'll take 5 minutes, you've got two options, the verb tardar and the verb demorarse. Now, demorarse is a reflexive verb. That's why it's got this se pronoun, this se pronoun on the end. Let's start with tardar. This is linked to words like tarde, which can mean late, and it can mean the afternoon, por la tarde, in the afternoon, or buenas tardes, good afternoon. If I want to say I won't be long, I can say no tardo, I won't be long, I'll be back in a minute. No tardo, 2 minutos voy a tardar, I will take 2 minutes. Voy a tardar, I'm going to tardar, 2 minutos, 2 minutes. Now, if I want to say the same thing using demorarse, which you might hear more in Latin America, I can say no me demoro. Now, notice that here I'm adding in this me pronoun. Why? Because with reflexive verbs, verbs that have se on the end, you could call these arse verbs, like I may have done on occasion. Things like levantarse, ducharse, cepillarse los dientes, lavarse, loads of reflexive verbs, relajarse. When I'm saying that I do it, I need to change that se to me, and I put it before the verb. Me demoro, no me demoro. So let's talk about how I'd say to someone, don't take too long. Because we've got no tardo, I won't be long, no me demoro, I won't be long. Voy a la tienda, no me demoro, I'm going to the shop, I won't be long. If I want to say, don't be long, if I'm talking to someone in the tú form, the informal you, I can say no tardes or no te demores. Now, why is it that I've got es on the end, despite both of these being AR verbs? It's because if I'm telling someone not to do something, I'm using a negative command or a negative imperative, I need to use what's called the subjunctive. Now, depending on where you're at in Spanish, you might not need to worry about the subjunctive yet. It's not really a tense, it's actually called a mood. And you can find on my YouTube videos about how to use the present subjunctive. But for now, a simple way to think about this is you're just swapping the AS ending to an ES ending if you're telling someone not to do an AR verb. Now, there's lots more we could say about these two verbs and about the different conjugations, but for now, to get started, it's good to have an awareness of tardar, demorarse, two synonymous verbs. One is reflexive. If you're a bit confused about reflexive verbs, it's a really big area of Spanish, something to delve into because they work slightly differently. You've got to remember those reflexive pronouns. You can also find videos I've done about different pronouns, reflexive pronouns, subject, object, like direct object, indirect object pronouns. There's lots of different pronouns. In fact, on my website, I have a free course, a pronouns masterclass, which explains all of them. So you can find that on SpanishWithJames.co.uk.